Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Sum number 9, cosec A into 1 plus cos A, cosec A minus cot A equal to 1. Left hand side is equals to 1 cosec A into 1 plus cos A into cosec A minus cot A. Cosec A 1 upon sin A. Cot A cos A upon sin A equal to 1 upon sin A into 1 plus cos A into 1 upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A. 1 plus cos A upon sin A. Here sin A is common, so 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Sin A into sin A, sin square A. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is 1 square, 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Therefore, sin square A upon sin square A is equal to 1, equal to right hand side. Sum number 10, sec square A plus cosec square A equal to sec square A into cosec square A. Left hand side is equals to sec square A plus cosec square A. Sec square A is 1 upon cos square A plus cosec square A is 1 upon sin square A. Here LCM is cosec square A into sin square A. Therefore, multiply and divide by sin square A for this term, multiply and divide by cos square A for this term. We get sin square A plus cosec square A upon sin square A into cosec square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1 upon sin square A into cos square A. 1 upon sin square A is cosec square A. 1 upon cos square A is sec square A equal to sec square A into cosec square A is equal to right hand side. Sum number 11, 1 plus tan square A into cot A upon cosec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. So instead of 1 plus tan square A, we will write sec square A into cot A upon cosec square A. Sec square A is 1 upon cos square A. Cot A is cos A upon sin A. Cosec square A is 1 upon sin square A. So we will write 1 upon cos square A into cos A upon sin A upon 1 upon sin square A. Cos A get cancelled, equal to 1 upon cos A sin A upon 1 upon sin square A. Sin A also get cancelled. We get sin A upon cos A, which is equal to tan A equal to right hand side. Sum number 12, tan square A minus sin square A equal to tan square A into sin square A. Left hand side is equals to tan square A minus sin square A. Tan square A is sin square A upon cos square A equal to 1 upon minus sin square A. Here sin square A is common, so 1 is there. So 1 upon 1 multiply and divide by cos square A. So we get sin square A into 1 minus cos square A upon cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. This is sin square A upon cos square A into sin square A. Sin square A upon cos square A is tan square A into sin square A equal to right hand side. Sum number 13, cot square A minus cos square A is equals to cos square A into cot square A. Left hand side is equal to cot square A minus cos square A. Cot is cos upon sin. So equal to cos square A upon sin square A minus cos square A. Here again cos square A is common, 1 upon 1 multiply and divide by sin square A. We get 1 minus sin square A upon sin square A. Okay, equal to 1 minus sin square A is cos square A, and cos square A upon sin square A is written here, equal to cos square A into cos square A upon sin square A, which is equal to cot square A, equal to cos square A into cot square A equal to right hand side. Sum number 14, cos square A cosec A plus sin A into cosec A minus sin A equal to cot square A plus cos square A. Left hand side is equals to cosec A plus sin A into cosec A minus sin A. This is like A plus B into A minus B, which is A square minus B square. Therefore, equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. Sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. Equal to 1 plus cot square A minus 1 minus cos square A. 1 get cancel. Cot square A plus cos square A equal to right hand side. Sum number 15. Sec A minus cos A, sec A plus cos A equal to sin square A plus tan square A. Same way, A minus B, A plus B is A square minus B square. Therefore, equal to sec square A minus cos square A. Sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. Cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. 1 get cancelled, remains sin square A plus tan square A. Sum number 16. Cos A plus sin A the whole square plus cos A minus sin A the whole square. Left hand side is cos A plus sin A the whole square plus cos A minus sin A the whole square. A plus B the whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. A minus B the whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Same way we will write cos square A plus sin square A plus 2 cos A sin A, cos square A plus sin square A minus 2 cos A sin A. Plus 2 cos A sin A minus 2 cos A sin A cancels each other. 2 cos square A plus 2 sin square A. 2 is common, so 2 into cos square A plus sin square A is 1. So 2 into 1, 2 equal to right hand side. Sum number 17. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A. Cosec A is 1 upon sin A. Sec A 1 upon cos A. Cot A is 1 upon tan A. So we will write there 1 upon sin A minus sin A into 1 upon cos A minus cos A into tan A plus 1 upon tan A. This bracket is multiply and divide by sin A. So we get 1 minus sin square A upon sin A. This bracket same way 1 plus cos square A upon cos A. Tan is sin A upon cos A plus cot is cos A upon sin A. Here in this we will multiply and divide by sin A. In this term we will multiply and divide by cos A. So this will become sin square A plus cos square A, and this denominator will be sin A into cos A. Now, 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Therefore, cos square A upon sin A, sin square A upon cos A into sin square A plus cos square A upon sin A into cos A. Here sin, one sin get cancelled, here 1. So sin square A and these two terms get cancelled. Cos square A and these two terms get cancelled. Remains sin square A plus cos square A, which is equal to 1, equal to right hand side.